probably can't hear us because of the traffic. Got Kurt Zitzelman here with me. And we are right now crossing the Delaware River into New Jersey. Oh, wow, we got a quiet spot here for a minute.
Yeah, this is the border right here.
We are coming up to the border right here, and we're going to be immigrants here in a second. There you have it. All right, let's get off this effing bridge. All right, now that we're finally off the road, we are doing the Red Dot Trail up to the top of Mount Tammany. There was a fire there, a forest fire there, last week that encompassed, I think it was 70 acres, they said. And that was our main reason for coming down here. But we are going to climb it. I haven't done this trail in like 8 years, and Kurt said this is the harder side to do, so it's going to be interesting. Be my first real hike of the year, I guess you could say. But anyway, let's continue to the top.
Oh, hey, there's some fire damage.
And we'll see what's going on. All right, we just came across our little bit of fire damage here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's definitely burned all in through here. This is right off of the parking lot. And there's the trail right there. That's where he came up from right there, where Kurt is. We're not real sure if this is where the forest fire was, because what they did is when the fire was burning, they came in and they did a fire line through here in order to get it to stop. So this might be part of that. I'm not too sure. But it's still pretty devastating.
This hoodie's coming off though.
What's that?
Hoodie's definitely coming off.
Oh. Whew, making our way up the trail here, and it's steep. I'm breathing heavy, and we're sucking in old smoke, I guess you could say. Smells like an awesome campfire. I'm losing my balance here. I'm up on top of this boulder. You see Kurt down there. Whew, I'm definitely losing this fleece now. So, all right, let's continue.
So we got here, we drove on the PA side over there, went down around a corner out there, see if we can see the fire damage. That looks pretty much because this, you can clearly see these trees are burned up a little bit. There's some ash. That's down there, it's kind of burning. But you can smell it. I can tell if it was me. I feel like I'm being watched. I'm not gonna narrate your video, man. That's not gonna do it.
You're doing such a great job, though.
The camera's all there, it dropped in the mud. So, yeah, we've got, so it looks like we've done a lot of climbing.
All right, we're about 25 feet up farther from where we were the last time. And just got a nice open view here. You can see Mount Mincy right across the way. I don't even think we're halfway yet, so it's gonna be interesting. Stretch the legs out for the day. I don't know if you could tell because of the way the sun is, but this is burnt really bad all in through here. So that fire really made its way up this mountain. I mean, we've been bordering it the whole time we're up here, so I'm assuming they use this trail as the fire line trail. But this is burnt pretty good. Look at that. I know you guys probably can't see it, but we can see it. Maybe if I go that way, I don't know. We'll see. You can see that tree right there has a lot of coals and ash on it and stuff. Are your legs burning yet?
I'm not talking for free. I'm feeling the burn a little bit.
Alright, we're headed that way. Now I know it's windy up here. Maybe I'll steal some of Kurt's footage for this one. Well, I didn't get much video on the overlook because the wind was too bad. So I'll let you go over to Kurt's video and watch him. You can check it out over there. And I know he's making all kinds of, I can see his shadow on the ground in front of me, so. But we're at the top of Mount Tammany, and we are now walking the ridge. Feels great to get out here though. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. What'd you say, Kurt? It's like 40 degrees out right now?
Yeah, something like that, 40, 42 maybe.
And
I got signal, I can tell you.
It's got a nice little breeze up here. I actually had to put my fleece back on because it was cold over there on the open face.
43.
And quite a few people up here. Not that many. I mean, there's a lot more in summertime, but it's not that bad. But now we are making our way down the ridge and going to start heading down the mountain. All right, we made it down here to Dunfield Creek. We took the blue trail all the way down off the mountain. And just coming down here to check out the little waterfall. Let me get my footing here. I don't want to go for a swim right yet. It's still a little chilly. Oh, there's a nice little hole. I'm assuming that's probably where they all swim in the summertime that they're not supposed to. That's pretty neat. Got all the laurels here. Look at that big little rock ledge down there. Hope there's some people standing down there. Oh, there's a wooden bridge too. Look at that. Okay, now Kurt's going to perform his swan dive into the creek. He might actually do it. The man, the myth, the legend.
So Adam forgot to do a closing on his video, so he's driving. So what do you want to say, Adam? I don't know. I threw him off guard. You didn't know I was going to do that. It was a really fun hike. And since I already narrated part of this video, I figured I'd do the closing too.
We had a blast. It was a really good time. We haven't done that trail in a long time, but it was a good stretch for the legs. Really enjoyed it.
Good time.
We stopped at Dunkin'.
Very slow, very miserable Dunkin'. All right.
And the girl fingered my lid.
It's as bad as it sounds.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.